Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I am going to explain inheritance. Okay, so basically, what is this inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but it's a relation between parent and children. Okay, that is nothing but inheritance. Okay, here the parent is also known as base class. Okay, and the child is also known as derived class. Okay, here the child can access or acquire the properties or the variables of the parent class. Okay, basically what the child will be doing here is the child will access all the properties of the parent here. Okay, yeah, so you guys know this, like class has two attributes and methods. Okay, object will be access these attributes and methods with the use of this class. Okay, yeah, so this is about the inheritance. Now let me see how many different types of inheritance are available in Python. Okay, basically there are four types of inheritance are available in Python. Okay, and the first one is single inheritance. Okay, the second one is multi-level inheritance. Third one is hierarchical inheritance, and the last one is multiple inheritance. Okay, now let me see one by one in depth. Okay, first let me see a single line inheritance. Basically, the single line inheritance is nothing but there will be one parent and one child. Okay, this is nothing but a parent. A base class is nothing but a parent, and a derived class is nothing but a child. Okay, so in single line inheritance, basically what will be happening here is this derived class, that is nothing but the child class, will be accessing all the properties of this parent class. Okay, this is nothing but a single inheritance. Okay, now let me see multi-level inheritance. Okay, so basically in multi-level inheritance there will be grandparents, parents and child. Okay, first like there will be parent. Okay, this parent has childrens. Okay, now these childrens grown ups and they become parent. Okay, after they have childrens, so that is how this multi inheritance will be works. Okay, now exactly what happening in this multi-level inheritance is here the parent will access the properties of these grandparents. Okay, and here the child, what the child will do is it access both the parents and the grandparents properties. Okay, that's what the multi-level inheritance is. Okay, hope you guys understood this. Okay, next let's see hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so hierarchical inheritance is nothing but here they will be shown single parent and multiple children. Okay, here these two children can access the properties of this parent. Okay, like they are eligible to access both, are eligible to access these single parent properties. Okay, are nothing but hierarchical inheritance. Okay, hope you understood. Now let's see multiple inheritance. Basically multiple inheritance is nothing but here we'll be having two parents. Okay, like two base classes. One is father, other one is mother. Okay, and only one child class will be available. Okay, this one child class can access both the parents properties. Okay, here from the child class we first access the base class 1 properties, and it goes for the mother, and again it accesses the base class 2 properties. Okay, this is how the multi-level inheritance will works. Okay, yeah, so I think hope you guys understood all the four inheritance are available in Python. Okay, if still you have any doubts in inheritance, please comment below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.